If your iPhone is getting really hot, basically it's overheating, even though you don't necessarily have it in direct sun, there could be a problem with your iPhone. I'll show you how to definitely get that fixed. The very first thing I would recommend doing is let's clean house and close all of the apps. So take your finger from the very bottom and swipe up. And then let's just take your finger and close out of every single current app that is running. Now, after we've done that, the next thing that we're going to check to see is at the settings at the top left. Tap on the settings here, and we're going to check to see if we can identify which basically app or which culprit is causing your iPhone to overheat. So tap on battery here midway down. And now from here, you'll be able to see last 24 hours. Essentially, what you're going to look for is if you scroll down, you can see battery usage by app. You want to see basically if there's one that is way higher than the other one. In this case, you can see phone, home screen, nothing is crazy. But if you see one that is way higher than the rest of them, then you need to go back here to the very beginning, tap on general, and then tap on iPhone storage on your phone. Find that specific app. Let's say it was caused by Instagram. We're going to tap offload the app and then just reinstall it. A lot of times there could be bugs or glitches in the app, so you just want to offload it and reinstall it. That should help that specific app. But let's say you don't find one app that's causing the issue and using up all your battery life. The next thing I would recommend doing is heading into the App Store. So open up the App Store on your phone. And at the very top right, you'll be able to see there's your profile icon. Just tap on your profile icon. And now you're going to take your finger and swipe down. Now from here, you'll be able to see it says update all 13 apps. You're going to go through the process of updating every single app on your iPhone. Sometimes if they're old versions of the apps, they could be causing issues with your phone and they couldn't basically be working properly. Maybe your iPhone iOS operating system is really new and the app is really old, or vice versa or something like that. So you want to make sure everything is updated to the latest version. Just tap on that update all button at the top left. After you've done that, let's go back into your settings here and we'll go back to the very beginning. Now, once you're at the beginning of the settings on your phone, you can see towards the bottom is general. Just tap on the general option and then software update. For the same reasons that I just explained, we want to make sure your iPhone operating system, the iOS, is currently at the current version. So you can see iOS 18.5. Again, there could be bugs or glitches on your phone that are causing it to overheat. Now, if you still run into problems with overheating on your iPhone, the last thing I would recommend doing is going back out of here. You're still in the general section. Scroll down and tap the shutdown button. So you're going to turn off your phone completely. Leave it off for a good minute, basically to start to cool down a little bit. Maybe you want to put it in shade and make sure it's in a shady or a cool area. And then you're going to turn it back on. This will reboot everything. And a lot of times that fixes the issue.